sasagutin natin, aligned with purpose is aligned with direction. Ang bawat aral, bawat effort, at bawat pagsubok ay may dahilan.
Sport Fest laro ng laging Globe the Home second place, Tumbang Creswell third place, Some Race first place. Alibera Francesca Dila, Nutri Puzzle Contest first place, Nutri Crispy first place, Fruit and Cracker Painting first place, Tagisa ng Talino sa AP second place, Tagisa ng Talino sa Pilipino third place, Pagawa ng Pusig first place, Play Modeling first place, Dimas, Railway English rank 8 with honors. Adan Aina Elaya, first place, Tagisa ng Talino sa AP second place, Tagisa ng Talino sa Pilipino third place, Pagligtas Marilan Agape Saa, PLE Health Week Nutri Puzzle first place, Nutri-Tula first place, Magsai Week Science Quiz Week first place, with honors. Morales Macway PLE Health Week Nutri Puzzle second place, Filipino.
Dear students, parents, teachers, school administrators, and guests. As we bring this meaningful celebration to a close, may I request everyone to join me to do the Success Club. Alam niyo po ba yung Success Club? Alam niyo po yun? Success ang ating mga parents for their unwavering support, patience, sacrifices, and for being our students' first teacher at home. Your partnership made today possible. Success ng ating mga student for their hard work, resilience, and commitment to learn.
Matag mga bata.
Student, meron lang po tayo 5 minutes para po mag-picture sa ating stage. Okay? Picture